Hey, thanks for clicking on the link. My name is Courtney Pegram, and I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about facilitation. So, I developed these 2-hour virtual classes to really help you understand how to facilitate the ins and out of facilitation. And I have this upcoming course that I would love if you could join. So, what am I doing? It's Facilitation 102, and this is January 17th. There's 2 sessions available, the 9 a.m. Central Standard Time or the 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And so what are we doing in these workshops? So we're working on how to facilitate effective hybrid and online meetings, workshops, or classes. So I'm going to give you tips, tools, resources, apps, so that you can better prepare on how to facilitate these workshops, your meetings, your programs, and really develop the level of engagement for people to feel like they're part of your training, right? Because it's so hard when it comes to remote or hybrid to create engagement. I want to give you those strategies. Then additionally, because I keep my groups small, however big enough and industry wide, that you get to learn from other people, not just me. And so it's a presentation, discussion, activity, engaging 2 hours. It flies by. I love them because I learn from them too. So I just thought I'd talk about what's coming up. So this January 17th, we have our Facilitator 102 course, which is remote and hybrid facilitation. So I hope you can join. You just got to click here, okay? So then when you click here, it takes you to the sign up page. You decide which classes you want to take. Tell me a little bit about yourself. This comes directly to me. And then after you tell me about yourself, only then do I fill out your registration and send you the link to the Zoom. So you can just explore, right? And then you sign up, and then I set you up for registration. So it's a 2-step process, but this gives you time to answer these things, me look at what you want, and that helps me customize my training. So anyway, I hope I see you on January 17th because I love learning from you, and I want to share what I have gained from hybrid and remote facilitation. Okay, hope to see you. Thank you. Bye.